welcome back to Classy Cakes by Brittany. Today we are going to use our buttercream frosting and we are going to fill a piping bag and then we're going to stack these 3 cute little cakes and decorate the cake. Alright, we're going to get our piping bag. And the trick I like to use, I like to use a cup and then I just kind of fold the piping bag around the cup. Just kind of an extra set of hands if you're doing this by yourself. And then we're just going to get some buttercream. Let's put another scoop in here. Get it all in here as much as we can. This makes it really easy to get on your cake. Okay. And then make sure you're squeezing your bag. I've got a little frosting coming out. It's kind of messy job, but it's okay. Then you can just move your turntable around if you have it. Get all the way around. I think I am done. I'm going to squirt some of that extra frosting just so it's not going to end up on my hand. And then when you're taking a break, you can always stick your bag in there. And what we're going to do is just kind of go around the sides. Put this in the fridge now. We've dirty iced is what you call it, where you just put a thin layer of frosting all over it. I'm going to chill it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Then we'll get it out and decorate it and finish it. Hi, our cake has been in the fridge for about 20 minutes. It's nice. The frosting's firm, which is great. Ready to decorate. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to take my piping bag. We're going to do another layer of frosting all over this so that it's not going to be a see-through cake anymore. And then you can just twist it around. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it on there real nice. So obviously it's not perfect. Some smooth hair. Come back to that, and then I'm going to get the sides going. You can just gently do this. There's lots of many tools you can use to get your cake smooth. This is not what I usually use, but it works. I'm going to take that straight side. I'm going to keep it as flat as I can and gently go around. I don't want to get it too tight to it. I'm not trying to scrape off too much, but I want it to be flat. You can see where it needs more frosting. So I'm going to put this down for a second and I'm just going to get my piping bag back out. What I'm going to do is just kind of fill in those little places that need a little extra help. Then we're just going to do the same thing over again. I'm going to pick this up again, scrape off that extra frosting that we're not going to use, and then gently go around, scrape off that frosting and make it as smooth as we can so it looks really nice. Then we want our cake to have its nice smooth shape. And one trick that I like to do is I would take it when it's not 100% perfect, put it back in the fridge for another 20 minutes or whatever you feel like, to the point where your frosting is kind of set up. And I should have shown you this on this video. We'll show it on a different video. And what you can actually do is get wax paper after it comes right out of the fridge. And you can kind of feel it, it's firm, it's not super soft. You can put a piece of wax paper on the top and just kind of pat it down. And that will also get it really, really flat and there won't be those bubbles or creases. You can kind of see the creases I have from this spatula. I couldn't find my little scraper that I usually use this time. So this one's not perfect, but it works. All right, we're gonna mix some color to this frosting so we can decorate this cute little mini cake. Spatula, that'd be a little easier. That's okay, we can make it work. Alright, I'm going to put some sprinkles on the top of our cute little cake. This is just a fun little mixture I got from the store. Now we're going to pipe some little stars on the side, all the way around. We're just going to do a dab and then pull. Dab and a pull all the way around. Hi! Okay, we got our little cute mini cake done. I think it turned out really cute. We ended up adding extra stars just for a little extra texture and think it's way fun. Hope you liked it.